Okay, my friend, bright answer, one man supporter. Good day to you. It's been a while. As I promised, I'm back for good because all the requests have been hit up. You said we should do this song by Nana Ampadu, or from the Ramblers band. That it was composed by Nana Ampadu, and at the same time sang it. That he was in the Ramblers band, so you can say Nana Ampadu or Ramblers band. So the key is E flat. The song is key E flat here. This is E flat, the E shape here. So we have E. So here we strum the chord. That is the E. That is so far. So let's go. Do, we strum the do chord from top to down. Do chord, we strum like this. Again, re to mi. Again, that is the sound. So that is when, if you want to rehearse it slowly, that is how you should go about it. That is so far. Have the so here. The so is B flat, fa, G sharp. So that's the second, third, fourth. Here. This is the 12th position, 13, 14, 15th position. That is where the so is located. Second string, third string, fourth string. We can choose to or remove that. So let's take it slow. That is do, duet. Do and mi. That is first string, 11th position. And the 12th string, 12th position, sorry, third string. So you play the both. So let's take it. Do, ti, do, re. So let's play to that point. Again. Re, ti, do, re. Fa, so. So let's take the nose here. There is the T is the D and the F note. That's the first string and the third string. On the 10th position, that's the T. Then Re, we have it here. That is 13th position, first string and the third string. That's the sound. So that's it. Do, T. So here the T, you just play it, or you can play it this way, but this is the best way for you. That is la. This is la note and do, making the duet here la. So la la la. Then we strum from fa to so. We slide from fa to so. That is second string, ninth position. And then at the same time, 10th position, fourth string together. So this is fa and this is la, joining together, making the chord, this note duet. So that's the first part. So let's do. That's the first part. Then we play again. Again, we play the same, that first one, do chord. Then we slide from re to mi. Then here, when we move to the fa, we just spell the chord. See? That is so chord. Then we play T and so, because this is do, T, la, so. So T and so note. That is so, fa chord. But we spelled. Here is la and fa. So let's take that second part slowly. Then we play re to mi, because this is re, we've done that before. That is re and fa. Then we slide to mi, making it mi and so. Mi, re, mi, re, do. Back to do again. So let's take it the whole thing. Let's do the second part again. Then sha pa 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 pa. So do fa so mi la re so do. That's the chord progression. Do fa so mi la re so do. So you can even play it in the C shape here, or you can play it in the A shape. Do fa so mi la re so do. Or we can play do fa so mi la re so do. Amiwu onyame ya se ebi an na menye ni papa ni madie na sika kakra mepa ja me ma no odi aya ni hu yi etwa me ma ya jo fa ama me ma ya mo. So the second part, we don't go too far. So mi la etwa me ma ya fa ama me ma ya so do. So let's take it slowly. Sa pa 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 sa pa 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 sa da 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 sa pa da 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 pa 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 pa. That's the whole thing in the song. So let's take it slowly one more time. Sa pa 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 sa pa 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 sa pa 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 sa pa ta pa ta ta ta. Amiwu onyame ya se fa ebi an na menye ni papa ni madie na sika kakra mepa ja me ma no odi aya ni hu yi etwa me me ya jo ama me me ya e bobo. So re mi fa that is the whole thing. So thank you, Mr. Bright Answer. This is your parents' request upon it. So you are all welcome. Mr. King, he said Oliver the Crop song, opportunity come at once. Tomorrow you will see that lesson. I said maybe I have impromptu program. I will do all the requests very fast because I'm set up with my studio. So from now onwards, you just ask any song that you want, be jazz, anything, you will do it. There is a request about Bob Marley song, that one too I will do. So you are all welcome. Thank you for being with me for a long time, making me your number one guitarist, your number one friend here. You are all welcome. We shall meet very soon for the other lessons. Thank you.